Howdy folks, I'm going to be taking you down into the Calico Candy Mountain today. Now just a few rules before we get going. No eating, drinking, or smoking at any time while down in the mine. Make sure you got that camera flash turned off when taking pictures and videos, as well as any light up necklaces or headbands. Make sure that's turned off too. Most importantly folks, remain seated at all times, keeping those hands and arms inside your cars, folks. With all that being said, let's go find ourselves some candy. All aboard.
Candy vines have pumped up the works. Literally. Guess I can take a break and have some candy. Best day ever. Sweeter than silver. I got more than one sweet tooth, let me tell you.
But I'll be honest with you, I think I got a few new cavities just from being in that mountain for too long. Now once this train comes down to a full and complete stop, I'm going to come around and unlock those doors for you. In the meantime, feel free to lift up on that little wooden seat in the corner of your car, but don't try to unlock that door yourself or climb over. I'll be there in just a moment. You fine folks have yourself